Coding explained in 3 minutes. Have you ever wondered how apps, websites, and games actually work? The answer is simple: coding. Coding, also known as programming, is the process of giving instructions to a computer. Just like you follow a recipe to cook a meal, computers follow instructions written by programmers to perform tasks. Think about your favorite apps like Instagram, TikTok, or WhatsApp. Every button you click, every message you send, and every video you watch is made possible through coding. So how does coding work? Computers don't understand human language. They only understand machine language, which is made up of zeros and ones. To make programming easier, developers use programming languages such as Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. These languages allow humans to write instructions in a way that is easier to read and understand. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine you want a computer to display the message, "Hello World." In Python, you would write, "Print Hello World." When the program runs, the computer displays the message on the screen. That's coding in its simplest form. As programs become more advanced, programmers use concepts such as variables, loops, and functions. Variables store information. For example, you can store a person's name or age. Loops allow a computer to repeat a task multiple times without writing the same code over and over again. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks, making programs more organized and efficient. Coding is used almost everywhere today. It powers websites, mobile applications, artificial intelligence, robots, smart devices, video games, and even self-driving cars. The best part is that anyone can learn to code. You don't need to be a genius or a math expert. All you need is curiosity, practice, and patience. If you're just starting, Python is one of the easiest programming languages to learn because its syntax is simple and beginner-friendly. Remember, every software engineer started by writing their very first line of code. The apps and technologies we use every day all began with simple instructions written by someone learning just like you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments what programming topic you'd like to learn next.